right, guys, we have Natalie Merchant today. Wonder live version. Look it up on YouTube. It'll pop up Natalie Merchant Live Wonder. Let's take a listen to it. Let's see. Doctors have come from distant cities just to see me. Steamed over my bed, disbelieving what they're seeing. All right, so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to do the part one right here in just a moment. All of the lessons for this live version will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. This is the 25th hired request on this list. I've done, I'm sure, thousands of requests over the years, and this is just the 25th on this list. And I'm going to get you started on it here. But webpianoteacher.com has thousands and thousands of lessons, and it's truly a lifetime of music if you want to check it out. But we're going to start with a D flat chord, and we are in the key of D flat. So I'm going to have left hand D flat octave, and then maybe even an A flat in the middle if I want a little more full. But the octave is enough. On the right hand, I'm going to have A flat, D flat, F, and A flat. I'm going to use fingers 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so let's just look at that for a minute. That's the first chord. You can use a third finger, but try to use that fourth finger if you can. A lot of people resist using that fourth finger, and it's really a big help if you can get used to it. The next chord, we'll look at the rhythm in a minute, but the next chord is an A flat chord. A flat, C, E flat. Even though there's a C on the bottom, it's still an A flat chord. A flat, C, E flat, A flat. The next chord is B flat minor. We'll do the rhythm in just a minute. I just want to get the chords down first so you see what we're doing. F, B flat, D flat, F. Left hand on a B flat. There. And I know that's afterwards, but just playing it with it, everything together will get you a feel of what chords we're doing, moving from one chord to the next. Because it's not so hard to play the chord once you're on it, but it's getting to it, right? Getting to that next one. E flat, A flat, B flat minor. Okay, so get that down on your hands first. Just those positions, those changes. You want to get where you don't have to go and then each finger finds its own key, and then okay, now the next one, and then each finger finds the next thing. You want to you can glide from one to the next. Okay, once you're there, then you're ready to do this rhythm. The rhythm goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. All right. Doctors have come, distant cities. So we have B flat there, and then we're still on B flat minor, B flat again, add an F. I'm going to use my 2 finger. Then an E flat on the top. And then A flat, C, E flat on the right, left hand on A flat. So I'm on fingers 1, 2, 4 there. And then I do A flat, D flat, E flat, which is a suspended chord. So I suspend that C up, then an A flat at the end. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? This is the live version. So let's tie those 2 measures together. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And I get to G flat. You may notice I'm playing the left hand more than is written. I'm just kind of vamping. I'm just sometimes playing the thumb. This style of notation that I write is more of a chart. I'm just showing you the chords and some of the rhythms, but a lot of it is learning by demonstration and listening. You're watching me, you're hearing me, and then you're repeating that back, which is a great way to learn music that's kind of been lost through the centuries. As we've had music notation, which is a great skill to have, to be able to read music notation, but we kind of lose that by ear part of the demonstration and listening, and that style of just having some chords and playing along with the chords. All right. this as a loose, you know, guide as you go through it. And of course, make it your own as you learn to play it. All right, so G flat, B flat, D flat on the next chord. Left hand's on a G flat. That is a G flat chord. Okay, so that's the final chord there that we have for this lesson. So let's try to get that far. And go. 1, 2, and then we get there. Try not to play it too robotically or too, you know, where you make everything strong. Some of the notes need to be softer. Right? It doesn't really matter which ones sometimes, just as long as they're not all strong. Just like when you talk, certain words have certain syllables that are hit, and then other syllables are softer. They're not all, you know, loud. So you want to do that in your playing as well. Okay, so there's your part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed that. There's a lot more to go on webpianoteacher.com. We'll learn the whole thing, this whole live version, and it's a very nice version with the cello in it and the the other instruments of the band. So see you guys on the website. Talk to you later.